Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Respace geometry tool under the Vector Editor module in LiDAR360. This tool allows you to make the distribution of vector vertices more uniform and supports the even distribution of vertices for both polyline and polygon vector features. To use the Respace geometry tool, activate the Respace geometry tool. Adjust the vector evenness by setting the spacing parameter for vertices distribution and choosing whether to keep original vertices. Click the left mouse button to select the entity to Respace geometry. Comparing the vector features before and after respacing geometry, it is clear that the vertices in the adjusted vector features are more uniformly and compactly distributed. This also makes it easier for users to edit the vector feature. That concludes the introduction to the Respace geometry tool. Thank you for watching.